In this emergency update, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin because exactly 3 days ago, we saw this bounce exactly on the 60,000 US dollars and I uploaded this video. Huge move. Are you ready? The major move is going to be imminent. Don't miss out. And yes guys, this was absolutely spot on. We saw this major bounce leading all the way to the 65,000 US dollars and now the price movement of Bitcoin is even back above the 66,000 US dollars. So what can we expect in the immediate short term? Are we going to get this bullish continuation all the way to the next major price target? Yes guys, we could expect this pump all the way to the 70,000 US dollars, but we're going to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and welcome back to B4Crypto. Before we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin on the weekly, daily and even 4-hour chart, let's go over to the crypto bubbles. Because yes, the overall crypto market is getting this major move towards the upside, and this is also exactly what I've predicted because I told you that this move towards the upside and this close above the 13 moving average is going to give us this bullish indication that we could expect this continuation and this major breakout. Yes guys, I believe that Bitcoin is going to break the previous all-time high within the next few weeks and we could expect the start of this super cycle. Yes guys, this is only the beginning of phase 2 of the bull market, this parabolic stage of the bull market. So guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you can find all the information how to join my Signal group, because we've been reckoning some major profits on Solana and also a lot of trades guys. So yes, we're extremely profitable. Yes guys, you can copy all of these trades, and if you don't know how to buy crypto on the spot market or even trade it with a leverage, I have this BloFin tutorial where you can find out exactly how to deposit money, how to buy crypto on the spot market, and most importantly guys, how to copy all of my trades using a leverage. And in my previous video I told you that I could expect the next major target over the weekend being around about the 63,000 US dollars, and we could expect this consolidation underneath the 61.8, but as soon as we're going to break the 61.8, that we could expect this major pump all the way to the 65,000 US dollars, being the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And yes guys, this move was absolutely spot on. So yes guys, let's go first on the weekly chart. And once again, the moon phases are absolutely spot on guys, because in 2 days we could expect the next full moon. And we're seeing this bullish impulse. Yes guys, I could expect that Bitcoin is going to see this major pump all the way to the 70,000 US dollars, because if we're going to look the Fibonacci retracement levels from the all-time high all the way to the swing low, then we can see exactly here in between the 78.6 and 88.6 is going to be our next price target if we're going to break this major downwards trend exactly from the previous all-time high, this major downtrend. And yes guys, we can see that Bitcoin is once again over the 65,000 US dollars, over the 13 moving average and over the 200 daily moving average. This is extremely bullish guys. So yes, the next major price target is going to be this major box in between the 88.6 and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement levels, round about the 70,000 US dollars. And yes, we can see we have a lot of previous resistance and previous resistance exactly here. So yes guys, I could expect that we're going to get this move all the way into this box and then see a small consolidation, but ultimately guys, in the immediate short term, I could expect a consolidation exactly in this level or even a retest of this major level, yes, the 65,000 US dollars, before we're going to get this continuation. But be prepared guys, this move towards upside could be extremely fast, because once again guys, the price movement of Bitcoin is the only marketing strategy. If we're going to see that the price is going to come all the way back up to the 70,000 US dollars, a lot of people will FOMO that sold the Bitcoin all the way down here when there was a lot of fear in the markets. And that's why I've always told you guys, if you bought the tops, just hold on, because it's not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. So yes guys, we can see that all of these cryptocurrencies saw a major push towards the upside, and this major discount that you got on the weekly chart is steadily diminishing because we can see that Nakamoto is still down 6%, but on the daily bubbles we can see that Nakamoto is already up 7%. So yes guys, you missed this major discount, but if you're going to fade to enter the crypto market exactly here, guys, you're going to miss out because yes, a lot of people that didn't have the conviction to buy all the way down here, they're not going to buy the top, they're going to wait for a retracement that the price movement comes back all the way down here. But guys, you're not going to catch the price because if we're going to see this continuation, we're not going to see that Bitcoin is going to ever come back into these low levels. So yes guys, just dollar cost average because we broke the 65,000 US dollars, and this is a strong signal guys that we could expect a continuation all the way to the 70,000 US dollars because we broke all of these major levels, the 200 moving average, the weekly 13 moving average, the 60,000 US dollars, the psychological support of 60,000 US dollars. We saw this perfect bounce, and once again the price movement of Bitcoin is above the 65,000 US dollars. So this is not the time to turn bearish or to wait for any retracement because yes, you didn't have the conviction to buy when there was a lot of fear in the streets, because remember what I told you, this major manipulation was just to scare you out of the market, and all the weak hands they sold exactly here to all these major institutions because they need this selling pressure to buy huge amounts of Bitcoin. So yes, this is going to be our next major price target, the 70,000 US dollars. We're going to look at the short-term price target, but overall guys, if we're going to break out from this major manipulation range or this accumulation phase, we're going to see a massive breakout with the next major price target being exactly the 89,000 US dollars. So yes, I do believe if we're going to break out from this major range that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to see a major fast move all the way back up to the 1.618, and that we're going to see here the next major consolidation. So don't wait for lower numbers. If the price movement is going to come all the way back down, this is just another opportunity to buy Bitcoin or any type of cryptocurrencies at these low levels. But ultimately guys, you shouldn't wait for any retracement. Because yes, a lot of you sold exactly here at the bottom of this major consolidation, and please don't be the person that is going to buy all the way up here. If you missed this major consolidation phase, just buy within this major accumulation phase. And yes, some see it as a manipulation, but you have to see it as an accumulation. All these negative points of Bitcoin where we had a lot of fear in the market, this was the best time to buy, and this is also what I've been telling you over and over again. So let's go on the 4-hour chart to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term, because overall guys, the market is once again going to give you the signal that this was just a fake out, and we could expect a retracement that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to come all the way back down, first of all to the 65,000 US dollars to retest previous resistance as support, to see this continuation and this further move towards the upside. But we could also take a Fibonacci retracement level from the previous swing low all the way to the swing high, and yes guys, this perfectly lines up with a 23.6 and a 38.2, which is normally a retracement level. If we're going to see a fast move towards the upside, the price move consolidates above the 23.6 and the 38.2. So yes guys, ultimately I do expect we're going to get this continuation with a price target being at the 70,000 US dollars, but I do also expect that the price movement is going to give you this false signal that we're going to dump all the way back down to scoop up all these bears. But ultimately I do expect that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to reach the 70,000 US dollars by the full moon. And yes guys, this is in exactly 2 days that we could expect this move all the way from the current price all the way to the price target of 70,000 US dollars. This is what I expect in the immediate short term, that we could see a consolidation all the way back down to the 65,000 US dollars, and then ultimately this move all the way up to the 70,000 US dollars. But yes guys, this could be a great opportunity to open a lot of long positions exactly within this consolidation. So if you want to trade all of these moves guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you find all the information how to join my Signal group, because yes, I'm posting all of my trades and we earn some major profits. We are still in this trade. Yes guys, our stop loss is already at break even. So So if you want to make some profits on the next move of Bitcoin, but you don't know how to trade, make sure to watch this BloFin tutorial. And yes guys, we could expect the start of this major parabolic run towards the upside, because this is exactly what I've been telling you guys. This major move where everybody turned extremely bearish, calling for lower numbers, is going to catch a lot of people off guard. And yes guys, we're finally going to break out from this major manipulation phase, and once again this major indicator of the full moon was absolutely right. So if you didn't get all of my previous calls because you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to be subscribed, smash up the like button, but most importantly guys, now's the time to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.